Hello everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. In previous session, we discussed about this chapter A to D and D to A converter, in which we discussed about D to A converters and in which we discussed about binary weighted resistor D to A converter. Today we will discuss another type of D to A converter. So let's start. D to A converter. As we discussed earlier that a digital to analog converter converts a digital signal to an analog signal in form of voltage or current. A digital to analog converter takes a digital code as its input and produced an analog voltage or current as its output. Basically, digital to analog converter take a digital input, says our binary bit 010 as its input and produced an analog voltage or current as its output. This analog output is proportional to the digital input. Here we have a basic diagram of this D2A converter. We can give here 4-bit binary patterns with MSB and LSB, and these bits can be converted into analog by giving this in a circuit of D2A converter, which is also known as a DAC. So we can convert digital information into analog information using D2A converter. In previous session we discussed about this binary weighted resistor D2A converter, but this D2A converter has some disadvantage. So we have another type of conversion method using another type of resistors. So let's discuss about this R2R ladder D2A converter. The R2R ladder DAC overcome the disadvantage of a binary weighted resistor DAC. Basically, in a binary weighted resistor DAC, we have to use a various value of resistor. For example, we have to use R resistor, then 2R resistor, then 4R resistor, and 8R resistor, and so on according to the number of bits. But here in R2R ladder, this disadvantages can be overcome using this two resistor R and 2R. As the name suggests, R2R ladder DAC produced an analog output which is equal to the digital input by using a R2R ladder network in the inverting adder circuit. As the name suggests, R2R ladder DAC produced an analog output which is equal to the digital input by using R2R ladder network in the inverting adder circuit. R2R ladder DAC contains only two value of resistor R and 2R. So it is easy to select and design more accurate resistor. Basically in binary weighted resistor we have to use variety of resistor like R, 2R, 4R, 8R, 16R and so on for AND bit resistor. But for here any bits of resistor we have to use only two types of resistor. One has a value of R and another has a value of 2R. So using this resistor we can convert digital information into analog information accurately. It is difficult to get the generalized output voltage equation of a R2R ladder DAC, but we can find the analog output voltage values of R2R ladder DAC for individual binary input combination easily. We can calculate analog values for this R2R ladder network using individual bits. We cannot get a generalized output voltage equation for R2R ladder DAC because there is a ladder network, and for this ladder network it is quite complex to deduce the expression. So here we can find the analog output voltage values of R2R ladder DAC for individual binary input combinations easily. Now let's discuss about how we can convert digital information into analog informations using this two values of resistors R and 2R and using this ladder network. So here we have a graphical representation of this R2R ladder network. Here this figure shows D2A conversion for 4-bit digital informations. Here we have a 4-bit D0, D1, D2, D3. This D3 is a MSB, D2, D1, D0, D0 is a LSB. Remember here we give this D3, D2, D1, D0 in this operational amplifier. This operational amplifier basically perform a various operations. Here for specifically we can use this operational amplifier as a adder. Okay, here we use this operational amplifier as a adder and we give this bits of D3, D2, D1, D0 in plus, that means non-inverting terminals, and we have a feedback connections at inverted terminal. Okay, that means for negative terminal. Here we use this terminal. This is basically a inverting terminal and this is basically a non-inverting terminal or says positive terminal. Here we connect this resistor R2R ladder network with this non-inverting terminal for D2A conversion. Here we have a D3, then 2R resistor, then R resistor, and then 2R resistor D2, and then R, 2R, then R, and 2R. So this is how we can connect this R2R ladder DAC for conversion of digital informations into analog informations. Now, as we discussed earlier, then generalized equations for this conversion is quite difficult. So we can calculate equations one by one for each specific bit. So for D3, if D3 is equals to 1 and remaining bits are 0. Okay, if D3 is equals to 1 and D2, D1, D0 is equals to 1, then we have an equation over here. That means whatever input voltage given, divide by 2. Okay, for D3 is equals to 1, we have an output equation. V0 is equals to, or says V out is equals to V in divided by 2. For example, if we give 1 as a 5 volt, so we have a 5 divided by 2, basically 2.5 volt as a analog output whenever we have a D3 is equals to 1. Again, why here we divide this by 2? Because here we have a resistor value 2R. As this D2, D1, D0 are 0, so basically here no voltage or any connections or over here. Okay, so only here only one resistor is active, that is this 2R resistor, and due to this adder and this connections, we just have a output equation like V in divided by 2. Okay, V in divide by 2, as we have a only one resistor over here, so we have a V in divide by 2. So this is how we can get our individual bit equation for analog output. Similarly, if we have a only D2 bit as a 1, if we have a only D2 bit as a 1, says D2 is equals to 1, this 0, D1 is equals to 0 and this is equals to 0. So basically from here we have a no connections. Okay, so we have a D2 is equals to 1, so we have a this 2R resistor, and as here we have a ladder network, so we have to consider this resistor also. So according to this circuit, or says according to this combinations of network, we can deduce equation for V out as V in divide by 4. You can remember this equation like we have a 2R over here and we have a 2R over here. So for D2 is equals to 1, we have a V out is equals to V in divided by 4. Then we have a says if D1 is equals to 1, so we have a and remaining bits is equals to 0. So we have a output is equals to V in divide by that 2 into 2 into 2. So basically 8. So for D1 is equals to 1, we have a V in is equals V out is equals to V in divided by 8. And similarly, if we have a D0 is equals to 1 and all other inputs are 0. So we have a 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we have a output equation as V in divide by 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that means 16. So here for 4 bit R2R ladder type D2A converter, we can calculate a bitwise analog voltage for given particular digit. So this is how we can calculate analog equivalent for this digital bits. In general, when Dn input is a 1 and all other inputs are 0, the output voltage V out is equals to V in divided by 2 raised to n minus n, where n is a total number of binary inputs. We can make a generalized equation for this any type of or says any bit of D2A converter in form of this equation. Here we have a V in 2 raised to n minus n. This n is basically for the total number of binary inputs. Here we have a total number of binary inputs 4. And if we want to calculate a V out equation for D3, so how we can write? So D3, for D3 we have a output equation as V in divide by 2 raised to n, that means total 4 bits, so 4, and we have to calculate for this bit. So here small n, that means here we subtract this dn over here. So here we have a d3, so we can subtract 3. So we have a v in is equals to 2 raised to 4 minus 3, which is equals to v in divided by 4, which is we discussed earlier, v in divided by 2. So we have a D3 is equals to V in divided by 2 raised to 4 minus 3, which is equivalent to 1. So basically we have a output voltage for D3 as V in divided by 2. And similarly we can calculate for D2 how? 4 minus 2, that means 2 raised to 2. So 2 raised to 2, that means 4. So this is how we can calculate individual voltages for individual particular bits. Now let's take example how we can calculate this analog voltage for any bit of information. So here we have an example. Calculate output voltage caused by logic 1 in each bit position in an 4-bit R2R ladder D2A if the input level for 0 is 0 volt and for 1 is 10 volt. That means for 1 volt we give 10 volt equivalent for here binary values, and for 0 we have a 0 voltage. So here we have to calculate individual output voltages for this 4-bit R2R ladder digital to analog converter. So how we can calculate? So we have a equation. The output voltage level caused by Dn bit is V out is equals to V in 2 raised to n minus n, where here n is equals to 4 because 4 bits. Now we have a 4 bit, so we have a total 4 bit D3, D2, D1, D0. So let's start with D3. The output voltage level caused by D3 bit. So we have a V out is equals to V in divided by 2 raised to 4 minus 3. So whenever D3 is equals to 1, we have a input voltage as 10 volt equivalent to logic 1. So here V in is equals to 10 divided by 2 raised to 1, which is equivalent to 5 volt. Then the output voltage level caused by D2. So we have a V out is equals to V in divided by 2 raised to 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2, that means 2. So we have a equation over here, 10 divided by 2 raised to 2, that means 10 divided by 4. So we have a answer 2.5 volt. So whenever D2 is equals to 1, we have a output voltage 2.5 volt. The output voltage level caused by D1 bit V out is equals to V in divided by 2 raised to 4 minus 1. So we have a 10 divided by 2 raised to 3. So 10 divided by 8. So we have a answer 1.25 volt. Then the output voltage level caused by D0 bit V out. So we have a V in divided by 2 raised to 4 minus 0. So 10 divided by 2 raised to 4, that means 10 divided by 16. So we have an answer 0.625 volt. So this is how we can calculate individually for each bit corresponding analog voltage using this equation. V out is equals to V in divided by 2 raised to capital N minus small n, where capital N is a basically total number of bits and small n is corresponding digits or says corresponding number of bits. That means here for D3 we use small n as 3, for D2 we use small n as 2, and so on. So this is how we can calculate a analog value for corresponding binary bits. Here we have only 4 bits, but we can also calculate for 8 bit or say 16 bit by just changing this values. If we have a 8 bit R2R ladder D2A converter, then we have to calculate D7, D6, D5, D4 and so on output voltage level for all these bits. So we have a equation for D7 as V in divided by 2 raised to 8 minus 7. So basically 10 divided by 2. Then so we have an equation like 10 basically in power of 2, like 10 divided by 2, then 10 divided by 4, then 10 divided by 8, 10 divided by 16, then 10 divided by 32, 64 and so on. So this is how we can calculate digital informations. So this is how we can calculate analog voltages for corresponding digital bits using this R2R ladder network. So in this session we discussed about R2R ladder type digital to analog converter and its equations and example of this digital to analog converter. Thank you.